Do you struggle to remember the names of the books of the Old Testament in order? You're not alone. Many people find it challenging to memorize this list, but with the right technique it can be easy and even enjoyable. In this video series, I'm going to show you how to remember the 39 names of the books of the Old Testament in order, using the Giraffe Memory technique. This method is designed to make memorization easy and fun, so you can recall the information effortlessly.
No prior knowledge of the Bible or memory techniques is required.
Will do.
Major system. Visualize, associate, crazily chunking, compassion, creativity.
Curiosity.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, let's go.
To assume no Bible knowledge, I will visualize by sound alike rather than meaning or contents of the book. Let's now visualize the name of the book.
To me, Genesis sounds like jeans, so we can visualize a pair of jeans.
Let's now visualize the book number.
Let's now visualize the book number 1. In the major system, each number corresponds to specific consonant sounds.
For example,
the number 0 corresponds to the S or Z sound.
1 to the T or D sound.
In addition,
Vowels don't count,
so we can add any vowels we want to make a word. Now, O1 is S or Z plus T
or D.
I like to use C for O1.
Associate, crazily.
Let's start with going from number to book name.
Let's imagine a giant CD that is so big that it's sprouting a pair of jeans. I invite you to visualize this image in your mind and make it as vivid and detailed as possible for like 30 seconds. Do you see the giant seed sprouting a pair of jeans?
Great, we will review later.
Use your lows.
Exodus
Sounds like Exodus or taxi exit.
Major system for 2 arrow is this or Z. 2 isn't, so I chose sun for O2.
Imagine a blazing sun rising as crowds exit a taxi, waving their hands and shouting Exodus.
Feel the warmth of the sunlight and the joy of people leaving together toward freedom. Leviticus sounds like Leviticus or levitating bus.
Major system for Latinis.
3 row is M, so Z.
3 isn't, so I chose sound, let's go 3.
Picture sound the samurai levitating a bus into the sky, chanting Leviticus. Everyone around stares in amazement as the bus hovers gently among the clouds.
Numbers reminds us of numb fingers or calculators.
Major system
For rotating arrow is our swords.
4 I chose left on 4.
Picture sound a samurai levitating a bus into the sky, chanting
Leviticus.
Everyone around stares in amazement as the bus hovers gently among the clouds.
Numbers reminds us of numb fingers or calculators.
Major system
4 or 5 is Deuteronomy.
Deuteronomy.
Sounds like Deuteronomy.
Major system
Major system 4 or 5 is RZ.
5 is O.
So I chose seal for 05. Or picture a happy circus seal balancing 2 colorful balls while clapping its fins and cheering Deuteronomy.
The crowd claps along and smiles at this clever double act performance.
06 is Joshua.
Joshua.
Sounds like Josh the whale or Joshua.
Major system 4 6, you always or Z.
6 is sure, I chose sash for 06. Imagine a friendly whale named Josh wearing a golden sash around his jaw. He leaps out of the ocean proudly shouting, Joshua, as water sparkles all around him.
Judges sounds like jug or jujube.
Major system
4 is Eben Jeru. 7 is K or G, so I chose sack for 07.
9 is cipher.
Judge sitting in a grand courtroom, sipping tea from a jug and declaring
Order in the court of judges.
Everyone nods respectfully and waits for his wise words.
Ruth sounds like roof for truth.
Major system 4 resource.
Made is F4V, so I chose sofa for O. Imagine a soft sofa sitting on a roof calling down to people below. Ruth, Ruth. The crowd laughs at the talking sofa under the gentle morning sun. Samuel sounds like sand mule or sandwich.
Major system 4 or sandwich.
9 is P or B, so I chose soup for 09.
Picture a large pot of soup
Being stirred
by a sand mule wearing an apron. He proudly tastes his creation and shouts,
Samuel,
with a big smile.
the same Samuel.
But now there are 2 mules.
Major system,
San Juan is door D.
your resource.
I chose toes for 10.
Imagine 2 cheerful mules dipping their toes into soup and laughing together. They shout
2 Samuels,
as they toast to friendship and teamwork.
Similarly, you can create vivid and memorable images for the remaining books of the Old Testament using the same technique.
before we get started, make sure to hit the